Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about dream products. Last year or around that I filmed a video with my dream products in some categories, and I want to see if my dream products are still my dream products or are they even good or great, considering that of course I did test a lot more products and my taste did change a bit. So let's talk about these products. First, I mentioned the Physicians Formula eyeliner. If we are talking about a black eyeliner, this is still my dream product. Do I use it? Will I repurchase it? No and no, because right now I prefer something created with an eyeshadow. I'm not wearing wings that often, so I will not repurchase this one actually. It is still a great product. It is still a recommendation that I will do, but it's not in my, it will not be in my collection in the near future because I'm not wearing something like that. Let's talk about some tools, because I did mention the Rephr curler and the Cupio lash applicator. Both of them, I do still have them. They are great. I didn't feel the need to purchase something else, so I think I would still consider them dream products. Then for brows as well, I am really impressed. I do love these still. After tasting different products, different brow gels, I'm just always coming back to these. So we have the NYX Eyebrow Powder Pencil. They did change a bit the packaging, so I'm curious to test the new one. I hope the formula is not different, but it's still great. And then I have the Too Faced Fluff and Hold. I've been repurchasing this for years and they are still great. I did mention in the video the NYX Lift and Snatch. I did repurchase that one once. Right now I don't feel the need of the product. Similar to the Physicians Formula product, it's still great. I just don't need it in my collection. It's just another step that I don't want to add to my makeup routine. And then I mentioned the Duo Lash Glue, the one with green writing on it. Yes, this is still a dream product. I've been repurchasing this one and I will. Each year I will repurchase this because it is the best lash glue. Very easy to just use. You can apply it, leave it for a bit. My lashes are not falling, and it is latex free as well if you have a problem with that. I did mention the Sigma eyeshadow primer as well. Still a favorite. I did repurchase this. I will in the future repurchase it again because again it is very easy to use. I don't need, in this category I don't need to test anything else because I just draw it on my lid, blend it with a brush, and it is done. My eyeshadows are just staying in place, looking perfect, so there is no need. What else do I have for eyes? This one, the Lash Princess Curl and Volume Mascara, still a favorite, the one in the pink tube. I am wearing it today with some lashes, still the best mascara out there. I did mention though in the video the Rare Beauty mascara. Do I need to repurchase that? Because I'm kind of curious to test it again. I love that one. It was great. Really nice, voluminous mascara. I loved it. But I've been loving a bit more a brown mascara, the one from Essence. I really do enjoy. So I don't think there is a point in me purchasing the Rare Beauty one. Do they have it in brown? That is a question. And if they do, maybe that is a purchase that I did. If it is not coming in brown, I don't think I need it because I'm not even wearing black mascara that often. So there is no point in me purchasing that. And as well, I mentioned the Sephora Size Up mascara. I do remember that one being, again, I do like volumizing mascaras, so that one is volumizing as well. It is a nice mascara. I don't think I did, I mean, I think I repurchased it once, but then after that I was just still love my Essence mascara, so this is my dream mascara when it comes to a black one. Then I mentioned a million highlighters. I was like, These are my favorites. These are my dream products. I don't need anything. Why? I was too set on highlighter, so I mentioned way too many. I mentioned the Charlotte Tilbury Huda Beauty Light Wand, a great product from the light wand type of product. That is my favorite, the highlighter one. The blush one, not the best, and the bronzer one, contouring one, I heard some bad reviews as well. So the highlighting one, great. I did repurchase it in a mini with the blush. I just don't like cheek products that are creamy or liquid. I'm not using that too often, so there's no point in me purchasing that. And as well, I mentioned the NYX Born to Glow liquid illuminator. Still a great product. I do like it, but there is no point in me purchasing that either. I do have one from Essence actually that I like as much as these ones, and that is again more affordable. So again, why, if I'm not using that type of product, why I would purchase something a bit more expensive like the Charlotte Tilbury one, just to have it, just to not use it? So I prefer the Essence one that I have, and like I said, that is not a category that I'm using too often. Then I mentioned another highlighter, the Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighter. Still a great product. I don't have it in my collection, so yeah, I'm not gonna repurchase it too soon either, because I have way too many highlighters in my collection. I'm not even wearing highlighter daily, and that packaging is absolutely horrible, so I'm not gonna repurchase it right now, but it is a good product. And lastly, in the highlighter category, because I mentioned 4, which is ridiculous, but I mentioned the Super Glow from Natasha Denona, and this one, from all of these 4, this is worth mentioning right now in my opinion. Of course, like I said, all of these products from the list that I mentioned last year are incredible products, great products, but my taste is changing and I am just shaping my opinions a bit different. So this, in my opinion, is the only one that I consider a dream product, because yes, it is expensive, but the packaging is absolutely incredible, luxurious. It is in the powder format, so I will reach for it, and it is so finely milled, so beautiful on the cheeks. You can build it up or use a bit less to have a more natural look. It's just great. I love it. Another product that I did mention is the Huda Beauty loose powder. Still, this is my dream product. Still my favorite powder. I tested multiple ones in the pressed format or even loose. Nothing comes even close to this one. It is the best one. I did repurchase it. I absolutely love it. Another random product that I did mention is the Mousse sponge. This, still my dream sponge. Best sponge, and it is affordable. I am just waiting for Black Friday to purchase like 10 of these or something around that, just to stock up, because best sponge ever. And let's end with lips. I mentioned 2 lip pencils that I still consider my favorite and my dream lip pencils. I did purchase multiple lip pencils that I do enjoy as well, but these 2 formulas are still too great, so they are my dream lip pencils still. The Nabla ones, this formula I'm not repurchasing just because I need to buy it from Beauty Bay, and I'm not ordering from Beauty Bay just because I don't want that many products from the site right now. I have the products that I want from Sephora or from the drugstore, so the next time I would purchase from Beauty Bay, probably I'm gonna buy one of these as well. But then I have the NYX ones that are so similar and a bit more affordable and a lot more accessible to me, because I can go into store and just swatch the shades, purchase one, and that's it. So I would rather purchase something like this. It is what it is. These are the Line Loud from NYX. My favorite pencil. Like I said, tested different formulas from ABH, from Maybelline, from Makeup Forever even. This one still is my favorite one because it is affordable, long lasting, they have a million shades, it's just the best out there. And then I mentioned two glosses, the Sigma Renew Lip Oil that I'm gonna put a picture, even though I do have it, but it is at work, so I don't have it right now to show you. But the lip oil from Sigma, do I still consider that one the best? Maybe it's not a product that excites me, but I still consider it one of the best lip oils out there. And Sigma was one of the first brands that released something like this, so they created an incredible formula, really. So I do still consider this one of my dream products, but I've been testing like 30 or more different formulas in the lip oil lip gloss category, so I found some that are close to the Sigma one in quality and that I do like a bit more, maybe based on color or something like that. And then I mentioned another gloss, and this is not my dream product anymore, just because I like something a bit more sheer, and this has a pretty good amount of pigment. Again, don't get me wrong, if you want a good pigmented gloss, I'm still recommending you this one because it is great, but it's not my absolute favorite one anymore. This is Milky Gloss in Salted Caramel Shake, and I'm so excited right now to smell it again. It smells so nice. This was everything. I really think this video was a lot of fun, and as you can see, most of my dream products are still here, are still products that I consider some of my dream products, but some of them I would not mention again as dream products. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.